Welcome to Chapter 4-1, Work Together. This assignment, you are creating a chart of accounts. You are organizing those account titles, and you number your accounts correctly. You number them with the division of 10. So if you're using 100, your cash account would be 110. That way, if something ever won't happen, but anything more liquid than cash would appear, you could put 105. Or if you number the account after that, accounts receivable, as 120, and there's another account receivable that comes before that account, because you're doing them by alphabetical order, then you could put it in there as 115. Okay. Up here on the name of the business goes on top of the chart of account. If you read this, it said Ross Company. On this side of the T account is what? Oops. It's our assets. Parentheses, 100 assets. List them by the most liquid. Cash, 110, 120. Accounts receivable. Who do we have? We have Megan. Let's see if I can pull this out of the way. Okay. Accounts receivable, we have Tyler and we have Megan. Well, A comes before L. Okay, looking through here, is that all our accounts receivable? I think so. Then we have our supplies. Prepaid insurance. Okay, is that all our assets? Yeah. So then we start, and we have our divider. We put a parenthesis, 200 for liabilities. Hopefully you've read this section in the book so that you understand what I'm doing. Looking for liabilities now. You're arranging them by alphabetical order. Liabilities, accounts payable, accounts payable. I guess they write it on out. Oh, duh. I'll put my number in there first. Okay, and then your next division is owner's equity. We have a capital account. And we have the drawing account. Okay, accounting equation, see that? Balance sheet accounts, accounting equation, assets, liabilities, owner's equity. Over here, you have what's called income statement accounts. You start with your revenue. Revenues on here. Tell me what they are. Hopefully you said sales. It's the only revenue account right there. You could have more than one. Sometimes they departmentalize those, and you have like hunting supplies and maybe books or clothing and books. You can divide up your sales so you know where your most money is being earned. Okay, but in this one they don't do that. 410. Oh, that popped over there. We have a nice little fly. I wish you guys would take it over to Greeley for me. Then your expenses your expenses are next. We do them alphabetically. Look here. Which one goes first? We have miscellaneous, insurance, supplies, automobile. So 510. 520. 530. 540. 550. Okay, then underneath new accounts, we have the account number. And over here is the account title. Then over here, you put the number of the account. And it tells you in your directions that you're adding two new accounts, postage expense and utility expense. Looking here, they're all like, those two are expense accounts. LMNOP, MNOPQR. So postage would be what? 530. Sorry. Postage expense. Then the other one is utility expense. Notice it doesn't land in the middle of any accounts. So you add on 10 before you put that account title. So it's 560. Okay, now do on your own. Try to remember your dividers are your assets, liabilities, owner's equity on this side, because that's your balance sheet accounts. Over here is your income statement accounts. Income deals with revenue and expenses. That's all that falls underneath income is revenue and expenses. New account titles, if they fall in the middle of accounts, you divide it by 5, halfway through. Well, if you were doing a 1,000-digit account, then it would fall in the middle. At the end, you do it by 10 here. So it would be 560. Good luck.